Sure guys, Shapere, hope you guys are good. So in this video we are doing a very quick and easy natural hairstyle, and I hope you guys tune in and you click on that subscribe button. So let's get to it. I first start with pre-stretched hair. You can blow dry your hair, but I just preferred not to do it on this hairstyle. I've not blown dry my hair in quite a minute, actually, if you think about it. I don't know. I'm just trying to keep it as healthy as possible. But you can use a blow dryer if that's not a problem for you. So as you can see, I start first by sectioning the front hair. So I figured, you know what, you can do this either on the side or you can do it in the middle like I'm doing. So I'm just taking the middle hair, which is the hair that we're going to be putting into twists at a later stage. But for now, I'm just sectioning it, and I'm using a red tail comb. Guys, I finally bought the red tail comb that I always talked about. I'm using the Isoplus hair edge molding gel. I'm gonna attach a picture somewhere. So I'm using that to part my hair, but you don't need it. If you don't have it, you don't need it. The whole point of this hairstyle is just me creating something that you can do without any products, and which is what I'm showing you. So yeah, you don't need it. I'm just using it because I have it and it makes for a neater line, but you do not need it. I repeat, you don't need it. So with my hair, while it was on braids, I had detangled it, so hence I'm just going over with my wide tooth comb. So just make sure that your hair is detangled. If you're going to pre-stretch it with braids or with yarn, just make sure that it's detangled, because after unraveling those braids, we are not going to be using any products, because you also need to make sure it's moisturized, so that once you're done, you don't use any products. Remember, this is natural hair. Once you use products, it shrinks. If you use any liquid on it, it shrinks, and that's not what we want for this hairstyle. So I used my shoelace, which really betrayed me at the end because it was slippery, it wasn't tight. I ended up changing it. I'll show you guys at the end. But yeah, you can preferably use wool yarn, preferably. And then I take some sections of the hair and I put them into twists. There's a weird sound at the background. I'm not sure what it is. But anyway, I take some sections of the hair, I put it into twists. So yeah, that's basically it. It's quite simple, guys. We're just twisting, nothing hard, nothing difficult. Now as it's just self-explanatory. I'm just taking the sections of the hair, putting it into twist. I go around that bun before I twist the middle hair. So it's that simple. Just take the hair, bits and bits of the hair, and put them into twists. So like I said, with this shoelace, it was getting loose as I was twisting the hair. So try using wool or I'm pretty sure pantyhose would also work if you're using that to tie your hair. So something that is tight is what's preferable. So I'm just doing that, putting it onto twist. As you guys can see, I'm just forwarding it for you to see what it's done, because I tend to get so mad when I watch tutorials and people skip parts. I'd rather they fast forward them, because when I actually want to recreate them, I want to see each and every step. So that's what I'm doing. But you can fast forward but no, actually it's a short video, you can't. So now this is me. I've replaced that shoelace. I went over with the wool. So it's the same process. I didn't show that again, but yeah. So in the front section, I am twisting my hair, as you guys can see. So that front section that we had left out, we go back to it and we just twist our hair. I didn't do it in a uniform. I just grabbed the hair as I saw fit, and now we are using bobby pins. So any hairstyle that doesn't require you to use any extensions or anything, you're most likely going to use bobby pins. So invest in bobby pins. So yeah, I'm using bobby pins, and I take the hair, those twists, and I pin them down to make sure that the pins are not showing. You take the twists and you pin them down in a circle. So as you guys can see, you take the hair, you shove it down, and then you pin it. It is that simple. I think I used 3 pins to pin down the hair. So obviously it would depend on how thick your hair is or how thin your hair is, on the pins that you would use. I used 3 for my hair, and this is how it looked like. The bun was super cute, was super tidy. It's perfect for back to school, back to work kind of vibes. So yeah, it's quite simple, guys. I know you guys always complain about, oh, this looks difficult, you make it look easy, this and that. With this one, you cannot tell me otherwise. I think this is the simplest hairstyle I've done. Well, no, there is another one, but this is one of the simplest hairstyles that I've done. So yeah, here I was looking for accessories for my hair, but I thought, let me put in this clip since it's a close up of how the bun actually looks like. Do you see how cute those twisties are? Oh, I fell in love with this hairstyle. I fell in love. So this is me after accessorizing my hair. So if you have short hair, your twists are not gonna lay as easily as mine did. So just take a head wrap and cover it for a few hours and you're good to go. So this is the final look. If you liked it, click on the subscribe button. I will see you on the next one. Bye.